Welcome to Switchboard Live. Getting started with Switchboard, setting up your account for the first time. We'll cover how to access the workflow page, create a stream group, connect social destinations, connect your live streaming encoder, and going live. Step 1. Access the workflow. When you log into your Switchboard account, you will be taken to the dashboard. Click Stream Down to access the workflow. Step 2. Create a stream group. A stream group brings together everything you need for your live stream broadcast, your destinations, your title and description, and your start streaming buttons. You can create as many stream groups as you like to keep different streams or events organized. Click Create a Group. Give a name for the group. This name is for the internal use only within your Switchboard account. Next, provide a stream title. Optional, you can add the date to your stream title, and it will be included at the end of the title when you go live. Next, provide a description. Describe what viewers can expect from your stream. Include key topics, special guests, hashtags, or any other relevant information. Next, choose a category. This helps classify your live stream video on YouTube. Click Save and Next. Step 3. Connect destinations to the stream group. Destinations are the platforms you're streaming to. Social channels like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Rumble, X, and Instagram. Switchboard supports custom RTMP and SRT destinations. Connecting destinations is easy. Click Connect More, choose a platform from the list, log into that platform, and authorize access. Click Connect More. Choose a social media platform from the list. Log into the platform and then authorize access. Follow the prompts until you reach the success screen. Click Close. We've successfully added the destination to the stream group. Let's add another destination. Click Connect More. Choose a platform from the list and authorize the connection. Let's continue adding more destinations. We'll add a YouTube channel next. Now let's add a LinkedIn profile. Now let's add a Facebook page. We can view the list of Facebook pages that we have access to. Check the box to select the Facebook page and click Add. We've successfully added multiple destinations. Now that we've finished connecting them to the stream group, click Next. Partner Share Destinations. Partner Share is a feature that lets you invite sponsors or partner organizations to stream your broadcast on their channels too, reaching a wider audience. They opt in through a link. No password sharing is required. We'll cover Partner Share in another video, so let's click Done. We've successfully created a stream group with stream title, description, and multiple destinations. Step 4. Connect the live streaming encoder. Switchboard is compatible with many encoders such as OBS, vMix, LiveU, Ecamm, Zoom, Wirecast, Blackmagic Design, and many more. Switchboard supports RTMP, RTMPS, and SRT. Connecting your live streaming encoder is easy. Just find the streaming information for the workflow, copy the streaming information, and paste it into the encoder stream settings. The streaming information is found below the confidence monitor. RTMP is selected by default. Copy the RTMP URL and paste it into the stream settings of your encoder. Copy the stream key and paste the stream key into the stream settings of your encoder. Click the dots to reveal the stream key and confirm it matches. Step 5. Now let's test the connection. We'll start sending video from the encoder into Switchboard to confirm the connection. This will not push live video to any destinations. It only tests the connection between the encoder and Switchboard. You'll know you have a successful connection when video appears on the confidence monitor. The stream health appears below the confidence monitor. The workflow header reads "Start your destinations to go live," and the start button turns from a dark green to a bright green. We'll start sending live signal from the encoder to the workflow. After a few seconds, we can see that we're successfully connected. The stream health appears below the confidence monitor. The workflow header reads "Start your destinations to go live," and the start button turns from a dark green to a bright green. Step 6. Going live. Once we've tested the connection and the video source is displaying on the confidence monitor, it's time to start multi-streaming. Switchboard supports an unlimited number of destinations. You can start all of the destinations in the group at once, or start streaming one destination at a time. Let's start all of the destinations in the stream group at once. Click the Group Actions button at the top right of the stream group and select Start All from the pop-out menu. The selected destinations will start going live. We are successfully multi-streaming. Remember, with Switchboard Live, you can go live everywhere. Visit switchboard.live to get started. Useful links are in the description below. Give this video a like and follow us to stay connected. Thanks for watching. Take care.